this video is going crazy. We have something very bad. Our internet like the Roblox is going bad. I'm pretty sure the guest are back. So a face of a guest inside the Roblox. So please be careful going into Roblox. After figuring this out, I was just telling everybody. Hopefully we get back on. I'm just gonna pause the video for now. If anything weird happens, I'll tell you guys. Like guys, I think we're figuring this out. To say Roblox isn't working. No. Why? I was trying to keep you up, guys. But I should tell them about this because guests are coming back, and I know they are. Starting with red. I don't know why. Look at my face. See what's even on face cam. Full screen. And weird. The internet is even on. We just checked. And it still said. I don't know what's going on.
What do you have me under in your phone, Mama?
I'll be okay. Hopefully, I'll take a string. I'm gonna tell him if it's gonna heal. You can use it.
We can't.
Actually, Brandon's gonna invite you to his birthday party.
She needs an invitation.
He's gonna invite you. Brandon's gonna invite you to his birthday party.
She needs an invitation.
Take every.
My birthday gonna be.
Roblox isn't working for me.
My birthday. What?
Roblox isn't working for me. And actually, it's my birthday, not yours.
She knows that.
No, she's not.
When's your birthday?
Oh, my birthday is at school.
It's cool.
October.
She doesn't know those. She does.
Do you like school?
Yay!
Who's your friend in school?
Hey, boy.
Huh?
Everybody doesn't go to it.
You get a friend in school? What's her name?
I don't know the name.
Oh,
I have lots of them.
that's good. God bless you.
I have
Who's
zero
your
friends.
teacher?
Oh, my.
Mrs. Applebaum.
No, not her.
She, you know who she has Mrs. Straley for music.
No, she doesn't.
Yeah, she came up to close to me, and I
She goes to
saw
Highland.
in Clay, Mrs. Straley. Oh, look, I saw under her name, I saw Mrs. Straley Clay.
She doesn't go to play. I have
She
her.
does.
She goes to Highland.
Who?
Ashland.
No, she doesn't. She's at Clay.
No,
She goes to Highland.
Clay didn't have this. Clay's in Lancaster, Brayden.
Clay is in Clay Township up that way.
Yeah, Brayden.
Mommy, you said. I'm listening to your words.
She's going to Highland. I got it.
Yeah, but now she's.
Right in my ear.
Thank you. Oh, you don't try to make a video.
Right in my ear.
I'm trying to make a video.
Hurt my ear.
Mama, what's for dinner?
No on the
Want
video.
pizza?
No on the video,
I
Mom.
can make one.
Can we?
Order.
I'm not ordering a
And
pizza.
I'm not
I
eating.
don't have any money.
I never gonna.
Don't say you never do, because you do.
I never gonna
Actually, I
eat
have a
pizza.
question.
Ah. Guys, we're back in the game. Let's take a stream. Olivia's game now. She used that baby when she wants to take it away, though. Okay,
Wait a second. How do I get in the game?
She's not in your
You have to
game.
wait till everyone's dead.
She's not in our game.
There she is.
Is she?
Yeah.
Shit.
Now
Oh.
I know. Just
Where are you, Ashley? Well, I don't want to spectate. I want to spectate these people. I want to spectate me. I want to spectate me. I want to spectate me. I want to.
Oh, look, that's a new high spot we can
Why can't you get more money? How do you get more money? Tons? Make it rain. I want to buy Olivia, you know that make it rain in the store? I just bought that. How do you get out of it? I got the make it rain. Make it rain. Actually, I have to sit there. Boop, 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 blah, blah, blah. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, it's a bacon hill, man. I can bake.
I hate Bacon Hill.
That's your name. Oh! No, guys, look what I bought.
Oh, yes, it is.
Guys, look what I bought.
We have to have a duck
Wait,
game.
how do you equip it?
Ash, up here. Jump, jump.
Whee!
How do you change your
Yeah,
equipping?
Get up here.
How do you change?
No!
I can't get up here.
You have to go on this.
I'm eating.
Are you up? How are you?
I can't get
Equip. Oh, I just equipped.
You're not doing it.
Oh, I just equipped it, make it rain. I just equipped it, make it rain. But it's not working right now.
Now. In the restaurant.
in here in the my.
Okay. Last time I found you in here, Olivia.
In.
Whoa!
I'm gonna eat you all.
Dum, 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 dum. I eat you.
Ash, we cannot move. Get down here. Get over here.
I have make it rain equipped it.
Wait, are you lucky?
No,
Wait, Ed.
you're just my friend.
Really?
She's my friend.
I see how you like my hair and my shit.
I don't like the hair.
Really?
You know,
Me. You hate your hair.
I'm spectating it.
Oh, yeah. Ash.
He's coming!
He got me. He got me.
Ash, Becky.
I didn't. It's him.
Oh my god, he jumped up. He just, how do you?
Don't know what to think about it.
Oh my god, yeah. He literally got Ash. How did he not get it? He's trying to get that goal, but he stopped.
Wait, are you?
I'm spectating it. I'm spectating him.
Don't wait.
Spectate me. Do you want to spectate us, or you want to spectate the it person? Spectate me.
What, you in the game? How?
Because she didn't. He
You
didn't.
ran out.
Look at me. Ashley, you spectated me. You want to spectate me? Don't watch her. She sucks. She sucks.
Well, that think you guys do.
I'm just going to run around. I think that's better.
Wait, it is just you and me.
Okay, back in the refrigerator. Come on, get
The bacon is trying to fund me.
No, you're punching them.
Hey, no. Do not hit nothing. Just let it go.
Guys, this will be a little. Oh my god. Why are they trying to friend me, bacon ass? Maybe they'll friend about YouTube videos.
No. You never told her what's on me.
Yeah.
Mom, how weird is this?
Guys, this video will be longer than normal just because we did. Olivia, I saw you! Technical difficulty. So the video will be longer than usual. Does it? How did he not see you? No, there's a goal up here. It's not just us two. Us two and another goal.
Where did he stop? I didn't get out.
No! If you get out, there's a goal right there, and he knows.
I want to do it.
He's up at the very, very top.
Of what?
He's on the glazing. He sees you. How he's gonna see you, Olivia? Stop peeking out. He's gonna see you. If we get found, it's not your fault. I want to tell you that. We're probably gonna go to about 20 maybe minutes. Don't make it too long, but get her! Eat her butt. It is only us two.
I want to.
No, 4 people alive.
What are you doing?
Check who's alive. There's a bacon and another guy. 4 people alive.
Oh no, he's coming. Why are you with your baby?
Here.
I don't know, but I did not change outfits. See?
Tell me where he is. I see him. I see him.
They're not coming.
He definitely saw me. Yep, what's good? Olivia, what's good? He's on the very top of that gray thing that I couldn't find on. He's coming to us. One.
He doesn't know. He has no idea about it.
Yes, he does. He just went in.
I don't care.
Oh no.
He won.
Wait, come on.
He counted you too. He counted you. Because you got
I'll let you at it, okay?
What? I had to be it.
No.
Oh my God.
Yay.
I know a secret spot in this
No,
house.
I know what one.
Wait.
I'll
Who's gonna be
Your
it?
outfit's so cute. Guys, comment down below. Oh, my name is OGBox8 Ashley's Ashley 5055.
Go sick my booty. Let me buy sick a booty.
I want to buy the Yeti.
Follow me. Oh, wow.
Oh,
Very good. Guys, I can't see anything.
yep, here we go.
Like,
Whoa, points.
Ashley, over here. See
Do
you
you
there.
have points? Why I can't have points?
guys, what? Where are you guys?
It's okay, what?
Where are you guys?
I don't know.
You guys didn't tell me. I see you guys. Guys, look, I got Make It Rain.
Ashley, over here. Jump down.
Guys, I can give her a spot. Where are you guys? I'm on the big yellow things. Guys, watch this. Watch it. Where are you guys? Are you guys on the wet thing?
We're by the tools.
Where are you? I'm on a big wet thing. Oh, you up there? I'm coming. Guys, stay where you are. I'm here. Olivia, guys, watch what I can do. Look what I can do, Olivia.
Whoa,
Look at me. Olivia, look at me. Make it rain.
we win.
Did you see me throwing money?
Yeah.
That was because I got Make It Rain. I want to select the map.
Make it rain, make it rain. Just run again.
Really? Stop.
I don't want that.
Well, he says sit up.
Okay. That's good.
Please don't talk to me.
I can. No, guys. We're not going on the top of the tree. Let's go into that other secret spot inside of the rocks.
Oh, yeah.
Might be one of us, though.
Guys, we cannot change your outfits anymore, okay?
No, it's Nope. You guys won.
We won.
But you have to be.
Really? What are you doing?
Guys, this video is at 11 minutes. 15 actually. Oh gosh, we might stop at 20. It is very important.
Yeah.
Yes, we will. If you guys want it, we'll make 3 videos today. Oh yeah. We're gonna get copyrighted by dang. I don't know.
Ash, show me.
Make it rain. Make it
You
rain.
have to go up and top of the tree.
No. I want to go to a secret, Olivia, a secret spot.
Oh.
No, Olivia.
No, I hit the button again. There you go.
Olivia, go into the spot.
Ash, come on, hurry. We have to go into the box.
Okay, and I want to show you Make It Rain.
Follow me?
Olivia, watch this. Are you looking at me?
Yeah.
Make it rain. Wait, what? I throw money down.
Ash, water down here.
You're down here.
I got.
Hurry, you only have 20 seconds.
Why are you?
Go.
Ash, I have to show you.
I come in. Oh, Dad.
I have to go. I have to do it for you.
I'm making it. I made it. Olivia, watch this. Are you looking on your screen?
Yeah.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Make it rain. I got money.
Wait, someone has money.
$20 in my pocket. Up, and on. This is for the drummer.
Yes, we safe.
Ready, guys?
Look at that.
This is all your money.
Money.
Here. Here.
No, the dude's coming to a spot. There's a dude coming to a spot. There's a dude coming to a spot. We have to win. Ash, over here. No, do not go. Do not
I'm
go.
warning. I'm warning. I'm warning. I'm warning. You guys are gonna get me found.
Ash, no. Run, jump, 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 jump.
You guys, I'm saving your life. Saving your life. You guys let me die. I'm leaving.
Nobody.
You guys literally let me die. You guys all let me die. I hope you die. Ashley, you're dead. You're dead. How do you get the credits? How do you buy people with the credits?
You hit shop.
I am.
You hit bots, pets.
Look, they all cost Robux.
I know what the secret bar is.
Some of them don't.
How come the Yeti, how come all the characters are Robux?
I thought you were.
Yes, they are. Look. You go down. Those.
I got the ice bear.
How can you buy those? I don't have enough credits. That's 71.
How much credits? You only have 11, Ash. But you can do this.
Guys, we're gonna win anyway.
Now you have a gill.
I have an iron. I have a hat.
What?
I'm gonna. Oh. Alright, guys. This video is about 18 minutes, so we'll do 2 more minutes of this. We're probably gonna do another video, so stay tuned. How is this bacon still alive? Olivia, spectate the bacon hail.
And I'm baking.
What the?
Other baking.
You guys suck. Look at them. Look at them. Look at that pot. Look at that pot. Olivia, look what pot I'm zooming in. Olivia. Oh my God. Olivia, look. Olivia. Look.
What's that?
Come in! Our pizza's done. Come in! No, it's not!
Alright guys, this might have to be the end of the video.
Go home.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. We will be making part 2. Stay tuned. See you guys on the next video. Peace.